Hello everyone, and welcome to day 23 of our ACT Math Prep Review. Let's get started. It says simplify tangent theta times cosine theta divided by sine theta. I know that's times on the top because there's no plus or minus sign in between there. Now, let's just analyze the answers for a moment. If I had no idea how to do this problem, I guess I would look at it like this. 3 of the answers are numbers. 2 of them just have a sine and a cosine in them. So if I had no idea how to do this, I guess I would throw these out. And then I'd look, I have a 1 and a negative 1, so I would guess one of those would be the answer. Now, is this going to happen every time? No. But if you have absolutely no idea how to do it, you might as well have at least a reasoning for how you're guessing. Now, also, you notice in the answers, there's no tangent. Even in C and D, they don't use tangent in the answer, which tells us I need to simplify tangent down. If you did not know this, tangent theta is equal to sine theta over cosine theta. That is something that you should learn. If you don't know it, keep it in your head, because you might get a pretty simple problem like this where you'd have a better chance of guessing the answer if you knew that tangent theta was sine over cosine. So I'm going to replace tangent theta with sine over cosine. So I've got sine theta over cosine theta. That takes care of tangent theta. Then it's times cosine theta, and it's divided by sine theta. Now, since that's a fraction, let's make this a fraction. And these will cancel. So all we have left is sine theta over sine theta. Well, anything divided by itself is 1. So the answer is B. Another good trig identity to know if you don't know it, the Pythagorean identity, sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta equals 1. What I like about this is you can maneuver it around so you can learn more from it. Sine squared theta equals 1 minus cosine squared theta. So I can move the cosine squared theta to the other side. I can also say cosine squared theta is 1 minus sine squared theta. So if you know that sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta is 1, you already have a couple other identities that you can work with. I hope this was helpful. I am going to do some more on sine, cosine, and tangent because I think it's important. There's probably only going to be a couple problems on it, but let's try to get those right. All right, I hope you have a wonderful day.